Just another day in the wilderness. It is nice to wake up in a place so peaceful and calm. Welcome to Alberta. Welcome to the Canadian wild. Good morning. Time to start our day. Need to collect some fire starter. Good morning, Tin. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Christine, Tin,
Yeah.
I can hear you from my car. You're snoring.
Haha.
Yo, good morning, guys. Good morning, Calvo brothers. Look at my background. Today, this is our kitchen, and we're preparing our breakfast for the day. And we have corned beef here, and then scum. We're gonna eat it later, and then we'll do some fried rice.
And we have langganisa
We'll
too.
cook some fried rice, and then that's how we start the day. Beautiful, right?
Just chopping some potatoes for corned beef and fried rice.
Doon tayo magluluto ng sinangag at corned beef. Good morning.
Langganisa. Langganisa and egg.
Right?
With our chef, Rex. Right here. Couple brothers.
Smell it?
So cooking some garlic, and we'll have a little bit of onion. So what are we making right now, Rex?
Fried rice.
So we're making a
So we're just
fried rice.
making it like golden brown there a little bit, and then from there, when it gets to the point that it's already cooked, then we're gonna put the rice. Morning, Calvo brothers. Once again, we're here at the woods right now, and we walk up like this into this beautiful mountain. And now I'm cooking breakfast for us, and this is the fried rice, and it looks good. Damn, this is gonna be nice. So anyone wanna come with us, let us know. Just message us privately or even on our YouTube channel, and then go from there. We will take you to the mountain. All right, simple as that. We will gonna show you around what's in the backyard of this place, and I hope you guys like it. Yeah, I'm gonna steer this again. So over there, what I'm gonna do with this preparing our coffee here, and then eggs. Then I'm gonna open this one, corned beef. Yes, sir. Tin, come here. Right? I'm burning myself here. So I need an extension. How do you compare Australia to here? It's just cold or what?
It's so cold here. We wouldn't, like, it doesn't even get that cold in Australia. In the winter, maybe 8 degrees in the winter.
Really?
And people don't go camping. But the thing is, it's rainy in the
Oh, is it?
winter. Yeah, so you don't want to go camping in the rain.
Right now it's -6.
What time did you wake up? You got up early.
I got up early.
When did you wake up?
Oh, around 8.
Oh, okay. My favorite when I was a kid. Yeah.
That's how you taking care.
Very Australian way.
No.
Well, ano Tagalog ng corned beef?
I don't know. What is it? Indonesia. What's Tagalog of corned beef?
Mais na baka.
We're gonna do target shooting, and then I'll find a different spot for us, secluded, nobody in there, just 3 of us. Start firing and then.
There's our Australian girl. Our lives are stories in which we write, direct, and the star in the leading role. Some chapters are happy, while other brings lesson to learn. But we always have the power to be the heroes of our own adventure. Once again, this is Calvo Brothers, signing out.
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Calvo Brothers.